Hey, it's John Casey with an update from Coulter Homes on Cove Road, Stuart. I'm at the entrance to Cove Royale. This is going to be a gated community with 2 to 5 bedroom homes. At the moment in the background, I can see that there's a Madison model being built and a Julia model. The Madison model is a 3 to 5 bedroom home with 2,800 square feet under air. The Julia model is a 2-2 home with a 2-car garage, and that's 1,900 air. Of course, prices have to be determined, but if you're interested in new home construction in Stuart, give me a call, 561-758-3414.